Hello everyone, I'm Michelle Smith and welcome to my channel. I have a Dollar Tree craft for you today. We're going to be making a spring floral wreath. The tools you're going to need are your glue gun and glue sticks and some wire cutters. The materials that you're going to need are an assortment of florals. I'm going to be doing mine in yellows and whites. I have asters, some black-eyed Susans, some Gerber Daisies. I have some regular daisies, one in white and one in yellow. I have some baby's breath and some wildflowers. And then you're going to be needing one of these wreath forms. It is a willow wreath, and this is the larger one. This is the 12-inch diameter. Okay, to get started, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to prep my flowers. What I want to do is go ahead and leave just about an inch of the stem. And on some of them I am going to be using the leaves, but I'll attach that as I go. So you just want to go through and cut your flowers so you have about an inch stem on the bottom. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do that and I'll be right back. I have all of my florals prepared and I left just a nice small stem on the bottom. Now that's where we're going to put the glue, and then we're going to be sticking them inside the wreath. Now before you put the glue on, you want to make sure that your stem's not too long, and you want to try the placement first. You put the glue on and then it's too long and you can't get it in, you'll end up with a mess. So make sure to try the spot where you want to put it first. You're going to want to place all of your large flower heads first, and then you can go in and fill in with the daisies, the baby's breath, and the wildflowers. On the leaves, they do have a little plastic nub. You just want to go ahead and pull that out and discard it, and that will leave a small hole. Then you're going to put some glue on the back of your flower and stick it through so that you glue the leaves to the back of the flower. Okay, so just go ahead, add a little bit of glue there on the end. Pull the leaves over, and then they'll be glued to the back. Then try your placement, add a little bit of glue to the stem, and go ahead and tuck it in. These wreaths are really nice for doing florals because you can stick in any greenery or blooming stems into the wreath itself and glue it in, so it makes it nice and secure. So again, make sure to pull off the leaf bottom, the little plastic nub, and then glue it to the back of your flower. Check your placement, and you want to vary, kind of go to the inside, to the middle, to the outside, to the middle, to the inside, so you can kind of vary where you're placing your large blooms. And you want them far enough apart so that the full bloom can be seen. Any little areas that you have left open, don't worry, you will be able to fill those in with the smaller flowers. Once you figure out your placement and your stem is the right length, go ahead and stick them on in. Now, if you like crafts and DIYs, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. I also do hauls, but unfortunately right now with the current environment, I do live in California, so we do have a stay-at-home order in effect right now. So I will not be doing my hauls like I normally do. But I am crafting from my current stash of crafts, and I have several planned. So don't worry, you're still going to get your crafting fix. Okay, so I'm just going to alternate the different colors and the different types of flowers, and I'm going to lay in all my large ones. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'll be back, and then we'll start adding in the smaller blooms. I have all my large flowers glued in. It looks pretty already, but now I'm going to fill it in even more. Next, I'm going to go to my daisies and add in my daisies. Now, some of the daisies have 2 blooms per stem, and the rest have a single stem. Now, it's up to you. I put greenery with all of my large flowers, and that's probably the only greenery I'm going to use. If I decide I want a little bit more, I can stick in a little bit of greenery here or there. So on my larger openings that I have spots, I'm going to use the 2-headed. And again, just kind of play with it, place it in there, see how you like it, and make whatever adjustment that you need to before you glue it in. Just hit the stem with some glue and put it into place. Just want to make sure that you get a little bit of it everywhere so that the wreath looks nice and even. You can use any florals that you have. They don't have to be daisies. I just wanted to do a yellow and white. Thought they were very pretty. I really like these colors together. So just go ahead and work your way through. Once you've got in the amount of daisies that you like, then you can fill in even more with your baby's breath and the little wildflowers. So basically I've chosen 3 sizes. I have my large, my medium, and my small blooms. I like to start with my largest blooms and then go down from there and fill in as I go. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to add in the rest of my daisies and my small blooms, and I'll come back and I'll show you the finished product. Okay, we're all done. Doesn't that look beautiful? A nice, bright, and cheery spring wreath. Now I used a total of 7 stems, 1 of each kind on this wreath. You can use any types of florals that you have. I just really love yellow and white together. Well, I hope you enjoyed this Dollar Tree craft. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. I do upload new content several times a week. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you have a great day, and I will catch you next time.